So this is question 1, paper 1 from the 2014 National 5 Mathematics exam. A couple of fractions to multiply. Let's recall that when you multiply fractions, suppose we have a couple of fractions to multiply together. Look at their numerator and denominators, top numbers, bottom numbers. The rule is you multiply across. So in this case you'd have a times c over b times d, wherever these numbers are. So we try and apply that to this example and immediately get into difficulties because this second fraction is not in a form c over d. It's got a number 2 that's certainly getting in the road of that. So we need to look more closely at this number 2. That's a 1 plus a 1, and then there's the 2 9ths. So it's the couple of 1s that are a bit of a nuisance. Now it's possible to divide 1 into 9 9ths and divide up this one into another 9 9ths, and then with the 2 9ths that we had at the end, when we add up all these 9ths, we've got 20 of them. There's 9 of them, another 9 of them, and 2 of them. That's 20 9ths altogether. So we've changed 2 and 2 9ths into what we'd call a top-heavy fraction. Some of you may know 9 times 2 is 18. That's what we're doing here, the 9 plus 9. So 9 times 2 is 18 plus the 2. So this explains why you're allowed to go 9 times 2 plus 2. So 20 9ths, and we've got 5 12ths. So we multiply across, as we said, that was the rule. So our top number, numerator, 5 times 20, the bottom number, the denominator, 12 times 9. Now we always then look simplest form. I would say, is there any factor that we can divide the top number by that's also a factor of the bottom number? And the reason I never put down 100 over 108 was it's easier to see what you can divide by if you just leave the factors before multiplying. So 4 goes into 20, 4 goes into 12, 4 into 20, 4 5s are 20, 4 into 12, 4 3s are 12. So there's your cancelling, factor, common factor, top line, bottom line, and that leaves us a 5 times 5 in the top and a 3 times 9 on the bottom. So the final answer, 25/27.